Hey, welcome back to the Happy Hues. Let's see how to crochet this sunflower bouquet. Here I have crafted this on a canvas. So today we'll see how to make one using all these flowers, leaves and a little bit of yarn. So this is the material which we are going to require. You can pause and check. Let's begin. Here I am using a 4-ply cotton crochet yarn. You can take any of your choice. So let's start with taking a magic ring. Pull a loop through and we'll make a slip knot like this, and we'll consider this as channel 1 here. So to start round 1 we have already taken channel 1. Now we'll work 8 single crochet to the ring here. Now following the same process we have to work total 8 single crochet. Once you are done, pull the yarn tight to close the ring here, and we'll slip stitch to the very first single crochet to finish our round 1 here. Now channel 1 to start next round. Now in this round we have to work increased single crochet. That means you will work 2 single crochet into same stitch. So here to the next stitch we are working 2 single crochet into very same stitch. So that's what we call increased single crochet here. Now again to the next stitch, again we'll work increased single crochet, that is 2 single crochet into same stitch, and repeat. So likewise we'll follow the same process to complete this round. Once you are at the end of the round, just slip stitch to the very first single crochet here, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. So here we are almost done with the center of the flower. You have to just pull the yarn tight in order to make the center hole disappear. So here we are done. Next we'll work on the petals. So now I'll be using a 3-ply acrylic plus cotton yarn. You can take any of your choice. Now attach the yarn by taking a slip knot here. Now to start the petal round, first channel 1 and then we'll take half double crochet to the same stitch. And then double crochet to the same stitch. Now channel 2, 1 and 2. Now we'll go to the next stitch and work double crochet. Then half double crochet into same stitch. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the next stitch here. Now we'll just repeat to work our next petal. So this is how we can easily make our petals for the sunflower here. Now repeat the same process and work all around to complete the petals. And here we are all done with making a sunflower here. Now just you have to chain one and slip stitch to the very first stitch where we started making our first petal here. After you complete, just chain one and cut the yarn off. You can secure the left yarn or just cut them off like this here. So here we are all done. I hope you like this one. And you can use it as a flower bouquet, home decor or other hair accessory. But here we are using it to make a bouquet, and that is on the canvas. So you need plenty of flowers to make one. So now just following the same pattern, crochet all. So next we'll see how to crochet a leaf. So using a 4-ply acrylic yarn, start with taking a slip knot. Insert your hook, pull a loop and make a knot here. Now we'll take 6 channels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here. Now we'll skip first chain and to the next we'll work a single crochet. Here. To the next a half double crochet. Then double crochet to the next. And half double crochet to the next. And to the last a single crochet here. So this is one side of leaf is done. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the same single crochet here, and this is how you make a picot. Now we'll follow the same pattern for the other side. Work single crochet to the first here, then half double crochet to the next, then work double crochet to the next, a half double crochet to the next, now we will work a single crochet to the last. Now to end, we'll slip stitch to the very first single crochet here, then chain 1, and here it's all done. So this is how it will be done. Now just cut the yarn off and that's it. So now following this same pattern, we'll crochet few more leaves. So next we'll take a canvas. I have taken here 5 by 7. You can take any, few leaves and then some sunflowers here. Next we will take a rope of jute. You can take even thread, then your green yarn and a glue. So that's all we need. Just assemble as you like here. So this is how it's done by me. You can arrange it as accordingly the way you like. You have to take few flowers, leaves and a rope and just craft it the way you like. So if you want the same arrangement, yes, I can give you the layout, a sketch layout, so you can follow accordingly here. So you can just pause and check and it will be easy for you to follow. So next we'll be adding few pearls to the canvas and it's completely optional here. So that's all for the day. I hope you enjoy making it. If you like the tutorial, then do like, share and subscribe to support our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you won't miss any latest updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.